In this lesson, we'll learn how to convert all of our cells into proper text, otherwise known as string variables. We generally want to make sure that all of our data is consistent throughout whatever we're running our code on. Therefore, converting a range of cells into string prior to processing is something that you'll want to keep in mind before you run anything on your range. This is one method of doing so. The first section of our code allows us to place our application's input box. This creates a dialog box which allows the user to select with a cursor the range that they wish to convert into a string. From there, we use the for each loop in order to iterate through each of the cells and their values that are placed within the range. We are first checking the data type with the debug.print in order to make sure that the value that is coming in is not recognized as a string. We then place the cell value into our function, stringer, which converts the value into a string value. We then use the debug.print again to check the output of our value, ensuring that it is properly converted to a string data type. This value is then placed into a cell.value, which is the spreadsheet location, effectively replacing the value within our cell. The code then loops over each cell within the range in turn, changing each of the cells accordingly. Notice how we have a couple of debugging features built into this sub. We are using it to ensure that our data types are changing. We are using our var type here, which displays the actual type of the data that the function is looking at. As we iterate through each cell and value, notice how the data type that is displayed in the media window changes as it goes through the function. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.